My name is Dave Padeopas Awuna. I am a Scout and the Chief Commissioner of the Scout Association of Nigeria. I take this golden opportunity to express our boundless and inestimable appreciation to the leaderships of the World Organization of the Scout Movement, the World Scout Committee Chairperson and the Chairman, and his team, the African Regional Team, Victor Atibaga, our Chairperson, and of course, our Amiable Regional Director, Dr. Frederick Tutu Kamakama. Thanks to the outgone National Scout leadership led by Dr. Gambo Ado Mohammed, the National Treasurer, Dr. Scott Aigbovia, and the team that commenced the board system in Nigeria. When the history of scouting in Nigeria will be written, you will surely enjoy a place of pride as the pioneers of this board system. Congratulations to the National Scout Board leadership led by Justice Emmanuel Dodo Audu, Deputy Dr. George Ohekewo, and National Treasurer Dr. Mrs. Yemisi Adedokun. This is a time to have all hands on deck for the transformation of scouting in Nigeria. I wish to, at this juncture, request all those who aspired unsuccessfully to offices during the AGM to kindly join hands and bring forth their lofty plans and ideas for the NSO of our dreams. Our mandate is more divine than mere human constructions, and praying to that God's mercies will see us through as we grapple with the onerous task of making this NSO the pride of scouting in Africa and the world at large. This period will no longer be business as usual, as we shall instill discipline and ensure strict adherence to our values as scouts. We will attempt to complete plans occupying our office in Lagos, that is Makoko, before making concrete plans for our planned office in Abuja. In a short while, we shall ensure a functional and full capacity scout shop in operations, which shall cater for the needs of our huge numbers of scouts within and outside the shores of Nigeria. As you are aware, trainings at all levels are ongoing in Nigeria, and we urge all to get trained and retrained so as to cater for the training needs of our young scouts. It is a thing of joy to me to introduce to you the Scout Herald Media, which will in few days come up with the Scout Herald magazine and then a blog, and of course the Scout Herald TV in due course. We are hopeful that information dissemination within and beyond the NSO will be a lot easier via this initiative. We wish to call on your support. No support can be little at your various levels and your different ways for this huge, successful project that we are aspiring to have now. May God bless you and your families. May God bless your aspirations. May God bless you as you carry out your various scouting activities at your various levels. Thank you, and may God bless you.